Hi everyone, welcome to Task B. In Task B, we're going to take a look at the principles of the diploma program. We'll inquire by looking at how these terms, challenging, internationally focused, and broad and balanced, relate to the experience of a high school student. We'll act by doing a text rendering exercise where we'll each choose 8 statements drawn from specific sections of the diploma program from principles into practice, and explore learning stories that have been provided by IB schools from around the world. We'll end Task B with a reflection that connects the learning stories to the diploma program principles in order to create exemplars that we can work from later. Remember, a key element of the learner profile is to be a collaborator. Part of what we want to work on together is to make sure that we're posting in good time so that we can also reflect on one another's ideas and continue to build our knowledge collaboratively. So try to get in there and read all of the posts that your colleagues are presenting. Thanks.